The court heard the bail applications of two accused, Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi and Siyanda Eddie Miyeza, as the bail affidavits for the other three accused were incomplete. In his sworn statement read out by his lawyer, Mkhwanazi denied any involvement in the murder and stated that he was forced to confess that he was part of the alleged plot to kill AKA. Mkhwanazi has pending charges of murder, illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition in a separate matter.
The assault upon me by the police started immediately. Though I had been told when arrested in Mtuba that my arrest was connected with the death of Mr. William Kiernan, I was greatly surprised that during this assault brought to bear by police upon me and also chopping me, they were demanding me to make a confession statement to the murder of a well-known musician, Mr. AKA, instead of Kiernan, a matter for which I had been arrested. I denied steadfastly any involvement with the murder of Mr. AKA.
Miyeza said in a sworn statement that the state's case against him was weak. It's believed Miyeza was in the vicinity of Florida Road on the day of the murders.
The CCTV footage of the incident has been available on social media since the day of the incident. The person appearing to be pointing what appears to be a firearm at Mr. Forbes is clearly masked and small or short in stature, as speculation grows as to whether the alleged gunman is indeed a small female. I am by no means a short person. The footage may not bring the state's case against me further at trial.
Forbes' father, Tony, says he is confident in the state's case, but says he still believes that the mastermind has not yet been arrested.
I think the fact that there was 800,000 rand that was paid for this, again, just further supports the view that there was some serious resource put to work to make this happen. And I still do not believe, unless what would be the motive of this particular organizer? What would that organizer's motive be to kill Kiernan? I don't believe that there's a motive, so I believe that the mastermind is still out there.
Legal experts say the court will have to consider exceptional circumstances in granting bail.
On the balance of probabilities, the court must look at his exceptional circumstances, balance that with the interest of justice, and see if the court can admit him to bail. There are quite a lot of things that transpired, but what stood out was the fact that they have pending cases which seem to be more similar to what they are facing in this particular case. And I think that the court will still have to apply its mind and take that into consideration and see if they can admit, if the interest of justice does allow them to be admitted to bail.
Meanwhile, the NPA in KwaZulu-Natal says its national director, Advocate Shamila Batoy, has signed the necessary documentation to extradite two suspects from Eswatini.
The NPA is being guided by the Extradition Act. As it stands now, the NDPP has signed the relevant documentation, and that has been forwarded to the Department of Justice, which is the central authority. The Department of Justice will then take these documents further.
The formal bail applications will continue on Monday, the 18th of March. For SABC News, I'm Jade Paulser in Durban.